Hey YouTube, super not exciting day today. I don't even know if I'm ever going to post this. I haven't cried in a bit, so I'll try to film this without crying. Definitely important time in my life. It affects the home immensely. Present day here, the table's been moved quite a while now. Don't feel sad or sorry for me. My life is really good. I went heli skiing, ran a marathon, lost 40 pounds. I'm in the best shape of my life. That's why for the past 2 years, there's been a lot of non-home improvement videos, exercise, skincare routine feels really good. I physically feel strong and mentally sharper. I'm watching some of my old videos and speech was really slow. I feel like I have more focus now. I'm a little hesitant uploading this because I'm not the type of person to air a bunch of personal stuff on the internet. But from my point of view, we didn't have the Hollywood dramatic ending relationship. We were two people falling in love, and in the end, we were two people falling out of love. The ex-wife was kind and gracious enough to allow me to keep the house. Everything has been finalized, signed, and stamped. But for my own selfish reasons, I still want to make this for the occasional YouTube comment. Love the comments, but I don't want to nonchalantly and just randomly respond, hey, got a divorce, ex-wife took the cats. So I could link them to this video in the future. There's also a good chance I might end up selling the house because I had a refi from a 3% to 6% in order to get the ex-wife off mortgage and title. So if I'm constantly bleeding cash, gonna have to downgrade. And when that transition happens and I get potential comments on marital status, I could link them this video. That's why I'm selling the K truck, because there's no time and money right now for fun side projects. But I am looking forward to continuing the YouTube channel because when the divorce was starting, I was thinking about scrapping the whole thing and shutting everything down. But I still get a lot of fulfillment. Every day I wake up motivated to film and edit. When I get comments of, thank you so much, this was really helpful, that is mission accomplished for me. Life is really good. I am excited to see what the future looks like. Video 320 done. I've never been through a separation or a divorce. I've had many serious relationships, so I know I'm gonna be okay.